Okay, so now we have all our pots hanging in place, so we're going to install the feeder tubes. You'll notice some of these sometimes are a little bit long, so we're going to want to cut them to size. General rule is I just measure them to where the pot is actually hanging and just give it a little snip. So that's step one. And then we're going to use our 5/8 feeder tube, and we're going to link up each one of these pots. So this inserts on the bottom. And then the right length is to go flush with the pot underneath and give that a little snip. And that's it. So I'm going to go through all of these and install them all. Now that we have all of our feeder tubes installed and in place, we have to put the drain tube from the bottom pot into the reservoir. So I've pre-cut these at 12 inches or 1 foot, and we're just going to slide it into the drain hole here and connect it up to the bottom of the last pot, like so.